Let's make a miniature boogie board. I start with a foam door hanger, and then I cut it into the shape that I want for the boogie. I cut out a small black circle of cardstock and glue it to the front, and then a small piece of yarn or embroidery floss, and then a circle of felt that I glue to the end for the handle thing. And then I use a white paint marker to draw the logo. I glue it to a piece of white paper and cut around it, and then put clear tape on the back to make it smooth, and then glue another dot of black circle to make a boogie board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time.
Oh yeah, I love boogie boarding.
Rhonda, you're doing it wrong! You're supposed to do it like this. Na 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 na. You boogie on the board!
Oh, Icicle.